Leakage current mitigation technique in solar PV array system using passive filter.
Abstract.
The main objective of this project is to propose a passive filter-based technique for mitigating the leakage current in solar PV array systems. The technique employs a shunt passive filter to divert the high-frequency leakage current generated by the inverter to the ground, thus reducing the amount of current that flows through the ground connection. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
In this project, the supply to the nonlinear loads is considered from the solar PV, then it is supplied to inverter to convert DC power to AC power through a boost converter, and then it is given to the grid as well as to the loads by reducing the ripples using RLC filter. This project was implemented and tested by using MATLAB and Simulink software. This software is user-friendly and easy to understand. In this project, passive filter-based technique effectively mitigates the leakage current in solar PV array systems. The results of the project demonstrate a significant reduction in the amount of current that flows through the ground connection, which helps to improve the safety and reliability of the system. The technique is simple to implement and can be easily integrated into existing solar PV systems. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.